Hi there, students. Objectionable. Objectionable's an adjective. Objectionably, the adverb. And I guess a noun, objectionableness, a quality, the noun for the quality. Let's see, if you describe somebody as objectionable, you really don't like them. You think they're unpleasant. You could describe something as objectionable. You think it's nasty, it's wrong. So I find his point of view morally objectionable. Yeah, there was a really objectionable smell coming from the drains. The violence is very objectionable. It's obnoxious. It's something that you don't like. He's an obnoxious young man. He's an objectionable young man. I find him offensive, disagreeable. It's distasteful to be with him. Yeah, so something that's objectionable, it's offensive, it's undesirable. You don't like it at all. Yeah, let's see, objectionable comes from to object. I object to this. I don't like this. Yeah, I object to what you're doing. So I find what you're doing objectionable, offensive, horrible, nasty, unacceptable. Yeah, I find your tone extremely objectionable. Yeah, it's unacceptable. It's very annoying. It's really rather offensive. He behaves so objectionably that I'm never going to invite him to my house again. Yeah. Okay, so something that's objectionable is it's likely to get people to object. Yeah, something people would take offence to. So objectionable, offensive, unacceptable, intolerable, undesirable, deplorable, unseemly, repugnant, abhorrent, beyond the pale. Yeah, absolutely detestable. Yeah, he's such an objectionable, pompous young man. I don't want him anywhere near me. Okay, so yeah, it's something that's disagreeable. The language used in this film was objectionable to many of the people who watched it. Yeah, the way he acts is highly objectionable. Yeah, it's just completely unacceptable. Yeah, his objectionable attitude. Yeah, so it causes people to object about it. His objectionableness is obvious for all to see. So the fact that people don't like him. So this is something that arouses disapproval or offence among people. The censor made the filmmakers edit out all of the objectionable material so that nobody could complain about it. I guess you could have the opposite, unobjectionable. He's a very pleasant, unobjectionable young man. Yeah, there's nothing that anybody could object to, nothing that anybody could be annoyed about. Okay, so yeah, this comes from the idea of to object to something. So formality. It sounds a little bit old-fashioned, a little bit posh. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you might just use unpleasant or obnoxious informally. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the word an objection. So do you have any objection to this? Which comes from Latin itself, objectio, opposition, yeah, or objection. Okay, so, well, I hope you haven't found anything I've said objectionable. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Objectionable.